Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Hartford Insurance, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Hartford Insurance policy, begin by gathering your policy information. Make sure you have your policy number, personal identification, and any relevant documents at hand. Next, decide whether you want to cancel online, via phone, or by mail. If you choose to cancel online, log into your Hartford account on their official website. Once logged in, navigate to the customer service section. Look for the cancellation request form or contact options. Fill out the necessary information and submit your cancellation request. If you prefer to cancel by phone, locate the customer service number for Hartford Insurance. Call the number and wait for a representative to assist you. Once connected, clearly state your intention to cancel your policy. Provide the representative with your policy number and any required personal details. If you opt to cancel by mail, write a cancellation letter including your policy number and personal information. Mail the letter to the address provided on Hartford's website or your policy documents. Make sure to send the letter via certified mail for tracking purposes. After your cancellation request is submitted, you should receive a confirmation. Keep an eye on your email or mail for this confirmation and any final paperwork. Review your final documents to ensure everything was processed correctly. If you don't receive confirmation within a week, follow up with Hartford customer service. Finally, check your bank statements to ensure no further payments are deducted. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.